Namaste, y'all. Welcome. As promised, we're going to work on headstand, one of my favorites. So let's get started. We're going to start working starting in downward facing dog. So if you come to an all-fours position, knees hip width distance apart, hands about shoulder width distance apart, then we'll tuck our toes, bring our seat back to our heels, then lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. So you want to press the ground away with your hands, reach your chest back towards your thighs, and this is downward facing dog, heels reaching down towards the ground, they don't have to touch. And then come down, knees come to the mat, you can sit back. So that's step one of getting into handstand. We'll go a little bit further, step two. So again, you come to step one, downward facing dog. Step two, dolphin pose. We'll let the forearms come to the mat and you'll clasp the hands together. And again, reach those heels down to the mat. And you press the ground away and you start to feel that firing and the activation in the arms and the shoulders. And then bring the knees down and then you can come back. So that's step two. A lot of times step two is where we need to build up strength and work. So you can hold that for as long as you can, maybe 15, 30 seconds, and then drop down to your knees. And then the next day, hold it again, 15, 30 seconds, really pressing the ground away. And then as you start to get stronger, we can move to step three, moving towards a headstand. So we'll come back, step one, downward facing dog. Step two, that dolphin pose, bring the forearms on the mat, clasp the hands together. And then you're making a little basket with your hands where the crown of the head can rest. Then you start to walk the feet forward. You can walk the feet back, walk the feet forward. Good. Walk the feet back, walk the feet forward, building that strength. And again, you can come down to your knees, and that is step three. And that again, building strength. So after you've built a lot of strength in dolphin pose, then you start walking the feet forward and back. And again, just building strength, just working on the balance, shoulders, arms, pressing the ground away for you to be able to flip upside down. So we go back. Yeah, let's start all fours. Step one, downward facing dog. Step two, dolphin pose. Step three, head comes to the clasped hands. You start walking the feet forward. Step four, you lift one leg high. And then you release. And then you lift another leg high. And then you release. And you can keep doing that. Again, lifting one leg high, release. Lift another leg high, release. And then you come down, and again, that can be another step. All of these, you can take these steps day by day. You can take it all in one day, maybe for a week. You work step two, step three, step four. Then eventually, we come to all fours. And if you have a wall somewhere in your house, somewhere that is like, yeah, just a wall, don't use it. The wall always kind of makes, so we're this far away when we line up to the wall, and usually when you flip upside down, you try to find the wall with your toes. Don't use a wall. Just trust yourself. You can put pillows in the back, but no need to use a wall. If you strengthen up in your shoulders and your arms, if you fall back, you'll fall straight back rather than trying to find your the wall with your feet. So don't use a wall. You'll be fine, hopefully. Good. All fours. Step one, downward facing dog. Step two, come down to the forearms, dolphin pose. Step three, head comes to the clasped hands. You start walking the feet forward. Step four, you lift the 1 foot high. And step five, maybe you float the opposite leg high and both feet meet. I like to point my toes to encourage the legs to go high. And you want the hips in line with the shoulders. You want to lift those legs high. Step five, again, head stand. And slowly you can come down. So that's headstand in 5 easy steps. Again, sometimes this takes months, a year, maybe even a day. But as you start to work step 1 through 5, get comfortable on one step, then move forward. You can treat it as little pit stops. So maybe you pit stop and you stop step 2, and then step 3, 4, and then finally headstand. Comment, let me know if you have any other questions. Yes, I probably made this look a lot easier than it is, but again, this just took me months, years of practice. So let me know how it goes for you. Namaste.